cold start. That was about, I think, 15 hours before it was last started. And this shifter is incredible, super cool. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. And I've been kind of playing around with the shifter, getting used to the clutch, and it's actually very easy to drive. I really like the clutch setup, super smooth. So first gear is here on the top left, and that is just butter smooth to get out of first. Second, third, there's fourth, which I don't need to be in it, but I'm going to go back to third. Very windy, of course, with no windows, but it's an absolute blast to drive. Power steering's nice. I'm gonna hit on the brakes. 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid, no issues there. Third. Alignment feels good. It's not pulling left or right or anything. It's driving straight. Now the steering wheel is off center. It is a little crooked. That's an easy fix. Drivability wise though, I'm very impressed. Get on this road and try to get up to about 50. First. Second. Third. Fourth. I don't even need to go in fifth if it even has one. I'm not sure the gear ratios here, how many gears it has, but 4 is enough for now. No complaints. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So of course, this is probably the coolest thing we've had here in a long time. It is a Jurassic Park Jeep replica, and it's incredible. They did a really, really good job on this. The current owner has it here on consignment, and he's owned it for over 20 years. So you can see he definitely took care of it. It's been to tons of car shows, tons of events. Incredible paint. Look at the color. It is super, super cool. Absolutely gorgeous though. So we're gonna walk around this thing and just kind of scan through everything. So starting with the front right wheel, got the gloss red, overall in great condition. Date code on the tire, 2011. You can tell, amazing tread though. So it doesn't really put miles on it. That looks good. It's crystal clear, a couple little flaws there in the paint. Beautiful color though, a few little scuffs. I think this was also displayed at the OKC Zoo when they had the Jurassic Park stuff. You got some gashes and chips there, little flaws. That looks good, nice and clean. Got your lights, mirror looks nice, hinges look incredible. The graphic here looks awesome. Couple little rock chips. Looks good. Wheel looks amazing. I mean, this thing is just so cool. We'll get to this in a second, but check that out. rock chip right there. Graphics look good. Overall in really, really good condition. Looks nice. Got some flaws in there. That plate looks good. Get in there, you're gonna see some chips. Little flaws there, a couple chips. Looks like some really light spider cracking. A couple chips in the paint. A few there. Looking at that wheel and tire. That looks good. Flaws in there. All minor stuff though. Tail light looks good. Date code 2011, but never been driven on. Super, super cool though. And checking out the interior, looks incredible. These seats are amazing. Very clean. Got the speakers up top with the tweeters. The Grant steering wheel, great condition. Dash pad looks good. Here's your VIN. Got the rhino lining throughout the bottom. Kind of matches the paint scheme there. Looking at the door panel, little scuffs. A little bit of wear here and there, but handles on there nice and secure. Got your Pioneer speakers in there, so you can kind of jam out. Those look good, nice and clean. That is very, very cool. All right, looking at the interior. This side looks awesome. Leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Phenomenal condition. Got the rhino lined floor. Got your all-weather mat here. Looking at that door panel. It's on there nice and secure. A couple little flaws here and there. Looks good. Jams are nice. Dash pad is really clean. That's cool. Pioneers. And looking back here, all the rhino lining to match the paint. That seat looks amazing. Looking through the engine bay here, does have an intake. Stickers look good. I don't see a date code on that battery. Overall looks really nice. 2.5 liter. Kind of scanning through under here the best I can.